Here's a quick video on how to remove a Chinese scooter flywheel. You can buy a special flywheel puller tool which is dirt cheap, so if you haven't got problems, just buy one, and if you ever need it, it's there. I would buy one, but it'll take a month for it to get here, so instead I'm going to quickly pop this off because I need to just test some bits. First off, 10mm spanner. Just use one of the bolts from the fan. There's 3 holes in the flywheel with the fan unbolted. Yeah, bolt through a 10mm spanner. And then the spanner goes up and crashes into one of the bolts that was holding on the air cover for the motor. That's now a 17mm socket with a nut in the middle. Set to loosen, and that's just going to stop the flywheel from turning while I loosen it. There it goes. I've actually already loosened this, so it wasn't as difficult as it was the first time. I'm showing you how I did it. I'm actually not going to take the nut right off, so it's loose. That was sticking out. The centre piece was sticking out basically flush with the top of the nut, maybe a little bit out. I've now got it a little bit in. That just gives some wiggle room for when the flywheel jumps off, but it won't come all the way off. Take the spanner back off. This is the tool. I made it myself. Basically used the fan. It's got 3 holes where the bolts were, so I held the steel against it. Got a pencil, drew on the steel through the holes. Drilled the holes in there, just big enough for the bolts to go through, but small enough that the heads catch on it. It's 5mm plate, and basically I'm bolting it to the flywheel. As I tighten it up, this plate will press against the nut and can't go any further in, so the flywheel will be pulled out against the nut and it'll pop off. I've had this off already. I've just tightened it back up just to show you. Hopefully it's tight enough that it pops like it does when it works, but I might have already loosened too much. Anyway, let's give it a try. Try and keep it even. There it goes. That's easy as anything. Back is off again. When you're doing it the first time and then the flywheel's really stuck on there, you can use that same trick with the 10mm and lock it up onto just anything, any old bolt. Just lock it, and that way when you're cranking it, it won't turn. And same when you're putting the flywheel back on, just put the spanner the opposite way so it's locked that way. And this should wiggle off. There it goes. Easy.